Good morning to all. Today we are going to start the new topic function. It is very important topic in class 12 because it helps in calculus and various field. So now we have to discuss what is function. So first of all we are going to explain function. Function. If A and B are two non-empty sets, then actually function it is a rule. So then a rule f, I taken the rule as f from A to B, means a rule f is from A to B such that every element of A, every element of A means each element of set A is uniquely associated with the element of B. Then the rule f is called function from A to B, and it is written as f is a rule from A to B in this way, or f is a rule from A to B in this way. Actually function is nothing, it is a rule, and rule is always defined. So let x is any element of A and y is equal to fx, it is denoted by fx, which is belonging to B. Then fx equal to y is called the image of x, and x is called the pre-image of y. So x, if x belonging to A, then y is equal to fx, which is belonging to B. Then this fx is called image of x, and then x is called pre-image of y. So according to rule, every element of A is uniquely associated with the element of B, means image is always unique. But we can say the pre-image. What about pre-image? So first you write this and then I will explain what is pre-image. Is what pre-image are any number. Like suppose I am giving an example. Suppose let f is a rule from A to B such that f of x equal to x plus 1 for all x belongs to A. So we don't know what the element belonging to A and what the element in B. So we just take one example. Suppose f is a rule from A to B, and here when I taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then according to rule, this is called input device and this is called output device. What input we can take, the output will come. Suppose when I substituted in place of x, this is x because x belonging to A, and this is y equal to fx, which is called image and which is belonging to B. So when I take x, then x 1 plus 1, 2. So x is related to 2. When you substitute 2, then 2 related to 3, 3 then it is 4, 4 then it is 5, 5 it is 6. So here every element of A is uniquely associated with the element of B, then this satisfies the rule of function. But if I take 6, so this 6 does not belonging to this set. So 6 has no image, so it is not a function. So the two important conditions, the condition is every input having some output, and number 2, no input having more than one output, because output always unique. So what element we can take here, output is always coming. It is a like of mirror. When we are standing in front of mirror, image is always coming. So what about pre-image? For this, here x, this set containing this set A in element containing set A is all are called domain. Means domain is a kind of set. Domain is what? Set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means what input we can take, that is domain. So input device is always treated as domain. Like in a computer, you seeing keyboard is there, mouse is there, and after that monitor is there. In CPU, hard disk is there. In that hard disk, all the programs are installed. So when we take the data through the keyboard, so whatever the keys are appearing in the keyboard, that is called domain. So domain means what input we can take, that is called domain. And this is codomain. Codomain means when the function is defining from one set to another set. Means from that set, from we get the images. That set like B, this is A and this is B. B means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the set containing in set B, it is called codomain. But what about range? It is very important. Range is the collection of images. Collection of images means, so this is called f of 1, this is called f of 2, this is called f of 3, this is called f of 4, this is called f of 5. So all the images, collection of images like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is called range. So once more, what is domain? What input we can take, that is domain. And images, the collection of images means when we substitute anything through the keyboard, in keyboard this is called input device, this is called domain. What input we can take, that is a domain. After that, in a monitor, what we by substituting the key, suppose when I press 1 and here the program is already stored in a hard disk, when we substitute 1, then the resultant is coming 2 on the monitor. So this is called whatever the things coming in the monitor, that is your range. In this way also we can understand. Suppose it is x-axis, this is what y-axis. So what in where we take the inputs? In x-axis, in abscissa. So x-axis what we take, output will come from the y-axis. So y-axis is treated as codomain, x-axis because it is input device, so we can take it as domain, and by substituting 1 and the result is coming 2, so this 2, 1 comma 2 means 1 comma f of 1, this is called image, and that image is collection of images is called range. Clear? But actually I want to explain how many image is always unique, but pre-image are any number. For this I have to take another example. Let f is a rule from a to b such that f of x is equal to x square for all x belonging to set A. Now when we take a, this a as a, suppose -1 +1 0 2 -2 2, and when we take b, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So rule is defining from a to b. So when first of all we have to check it is a function or not. So according to the definition of the function, every input having some output and no input having more than one output. Like rule is what? Fx equal to x square, this is y. So when we substitute in place of x -1, so -1 if you take, then it is -1 square, it is 1. So -1 is related to 1, +1 is related to 1, 0 is related to 0. Here it is not 0, just remove, because even we take 0 it is not a function because 0 has no image. So now if it is -2, it is related to 4, +2 related to 4. Now every element of A, all the element of A is uniquely associated with the element of B, and no elements remain here. If I take 0, then it is not a function, because every input having, the two conditions are very important. What I explained, that every input having some output and no input having more than one output. So now it is a function because no input is remaining, all input having some output. And now two elements are related to one, means domain, if I take domain of f, what I told, domain means all the inputs what we take, that all inputs is called domain. -1 +1 -2 +2, the set A is called domain. And what about codomain? Function is defined from A to B, so the second set, that is 1 2 3 4 5, this is called codomain. And then what about range? Range of f, it is images. This is what? F of 1 or f of -1, both having same answer. So the collection of images like f of -1, f of 1, f of -2 and f of 2, both are same, f of -2, f of 2. So when we answer these values, this is 1 and this is 4, because these two having same answer, so repetition is not allowed inside. So answer is 1 or 4. So now image is what? Unique. Image of -1 is 1, image of 1 is 1, but pre-image of 1 is -1 and +1. So that's why I told earlier, pre-image are any number, but image is always unique. So here, according to range and codomain, functions are two kinds. Like what you observe seeing two example. In one example I given, in there every element of A is uniquely associated with the element of B. Here two distinct element is related to 1. So according to images, functions are two kinds, but according to range and codomain, again functions are two kinds. So according to range and codomain. What do you think? According to range and codomain, first of all, range is always a part of codomain. It is never greater than codomain because it is a part from codomain. So range is always equal or less. So according to range and codomain, range is less than or equal to codomain. So here, according to range and codomain, I told functions are two kinds. So one time, if range f is equal to codomain, then the function is called onto. The other name of onto is surjective. Means we can say in another way, if f is a rule from a to b, if f is a rule from a to b, then every element of b, so you can say it in this way, from every element of b has at least one pre-image in set A. In above example, 2 having no pre-image, 3 having no pre-image, 5 having no pre-image. So according to another definition of the onto function are that function, if f is a rule from a to b, or you can say f is a function from a to b, then every element of b has at least one pre-image in set A, but these elements having no pre-image, so this is not the case of onto function. And here also we can say range is 1 or 4, but codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these two are not same, but we can say it is a proper subset. Subset or proper subset, both are different. In case of subset, every element of A having in that set means it is a subset, but proper subset, then set B contain at least one element which is not in A. So here range and codomain are equal. So when range and codomain are equal, then it is called onto, but in above case range and codomain are not same, that is why it is called into function. Number 2, if range f is not equal to codomain, then the function is called into function. Now right after that, I will explain that another two more example and two more types of the function. One is called, according to images, functions are two types. One is one and another is many one. So now you see another type. According to images, functions are two kinds. First is one. Another name of one is injective, and another one is many one. So one means what? One means every element of A is uniquely associated with the element of B, means 1-to-1 correspondence, means every boyfriend having only one girlfriend, 1-to-1 correspondence. Like here we take One example, f is a rule from A to B. Suppose 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, 3 is related to 4, 4 is related to 5. So every element of A having some association with second set, and it is a unique association, one to one correspondence. So one to one correspondence is called 1 1. Suppose when I take 5, it is not a function, but if I write here 1 6, then it is function. I told in this set no extra element is present. So because according to the definition, function have two conditions I told all the time. Every input having some output. So if I take 5, so 5 having no output, but in this set elements should be extra. Now this is a one to one correspondence. This is called injective function, and you can say it is a 1 1. And now this is images is what, 2 3 4 5. So 2 3 4 5 is the images, means range is 2 3 4 5, but what is codomain? 2 3 4 5 6, and here range and codomains are not same. So this is what, into. But if I rub this 6, then it is onto. So this is 1 1 onto function, and if I take 6, this is 1 1 into function. So you have to take care what is 1 1 onto, what is 1 1 into. Now many one. So many one, every element of, suppose 2 or more than 2 element having same output, like f is a rule from A to B such that fx equal to x square. So when we take this example, see, this is A and this is B. F is a rule from A to B. Here it is -1 plus 1. This is -2 plus 2, and 1 2 3 4. 1 is related to 1. This -1 is related to -1. 2 is related to -2 related to 4. 2 is also related to 4. So this is many one. Many one means more than 2 elements having same image. So this is many one. Now 2 boyfriend, 2 boy having same girlfriend, many one, many one. But if I write in this way, A and B, F is a rule 1 2 3, and suppose this is 2 3 4. 1 is related to 2 and 1 is related to 3, 2 related to 4 and 3 related to 3. This is not a function. Why? Every input having some output, this is correct, but I told no input having more than one output, but this one having answer 2 or 3. This is not possible. Two boy having same girlfriend, but one boy here, one boy cannot related to two girl. We can say here this is not function. Now this is what, this is many one as well, many one as many one. This is 2 or 3 has extra element, so we cannot say this is not this 2 and 3 not containing any pre-image. So this is not onto. This is what, many one into function. But if I rub this 2 or 3, then it is what, many one and onto function. So first of all, you remember this thing what I explained. I explained today what is function, what is domain, what is codomain, what is range, and according to range and codomain, functions are two kinds. One is onto and other is into function. When it is onto means when range and codomain are same, then it is onto. Means other definition of onto, we say if f is a rule from A to B, then every element of B has at least one pre-image in A, then it is onto. And other one, if range and codomains are not same, then it is into. So just take care, if f is not onto, then it is automatically by default it is into function. And according to images, functions are again two kinds. One is many one and other is one one. One is called injective and onto is called surjective. Injective and surjective, that is one and onto function. So if we call up all the functions, so first is one into one onto, many one into many one onto. So these are the four categories. After that we will write that thing. First you write suppose this is example. F is a rule from A to B. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 is related to 2, 2 related to 3, 3 related to 4, 4 related to 5, 5 related to 6. Later we will discuss it is a function or not. One more example. If f is a rule from A to B, this is 1 2 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5 6. 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3, 3 related to 4, 4 related to 5, 5 related to 6. Next, number 3. F is a rule from A to B. This is -1 1, -2 2. This is 1 or 4. These two are related to this. These two related to this. Number 4. F is a function from A to B. This is -1 1, -2 2, 1 2 3 4. And next is 5. One, two, three, 4, 2 3, and 6. F is a rule from A to B. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now, first of all, this is function or not? According to the definition, it is a function. Why? Because every input having some output and no input having more than 2 output. So it is a function. And now after that, according to definition, it is which type? It is called one-to-one correspondence. So it is 1 1. And the range and codomain are not same. So this is 1 1 and into function. One-to-one correspondence, that is why 1 1 and range and codomain are same, 1 1 on to function. This is called injective and surjective. That is why this is called bijective. The function which is injective and surjective, that is called bijective function. Now this is many one and range and codomain are same, so many one and on two. This is many one and into. Many one because more than 2 element is related to 1, many one, and range and codomain are not same, so it is into. So many one into function. this is not a function. Why? Because 4 having no image, 4 does not having any image, so this is not function. Why? Because according to definition of function, every input having some output, so 4 having no output, so this is not function. Now this is also not function, not a function. This is also not function. Why? Because this 2 having 2 image, because according to definition what I told, every input having some output, it is okay. But second condition I told, no element is related to more than, no input having more than 2 output. So this is not the case of function. So these two are not function, and these functions you have to remember. What is 1 1 into, what is 1 1 and on to, what is many 1 on to, and many 1 into. By seeing this, one thing I have to say, if suppose f is a rule from A to B, so is there any function here which is from B to A also it is a function? Now B to A, if I say, so 1 having no image, so it is not function. This is not a function. Why? Because 1 is related to 1 having 2 image, so from B to A it is not a function. Here this 2 and 3 having no image, no image means it is not a function. But here A to B it is a function, and B to A is also function. So this is the case only. You just remember this thing. If a function f is a rule from A to B, and this function is also defined from B to A. Suppose this is G. So G is a function from B to A. So if f is a function from A to B, then B is also G is also function from B to A, and this G is called inverse of f, and it is denoted by f inverse, means G. And when it is invertible, when the function is 1 1 and on 2, that is bisective, means injective and surjective. When the function is injective and surjective, then the function is invertible. So if f is a rule from A to B, then G is a rule from B to A. It is only when if the function is 1 1 and on 2, that is bisective function. Okay, learn first this thing. After that, from the next day I will explain all the questions related to 1 1 on 2, 1 1 into, whatever the questions asked in examination, that I will explain tomorrow. Please remember this thing what I explained, and if there is any doubt, you can take that doubt in class. Otherwise I given already a WhatsApp number I given, so please note down once more: 94313222162. in this WhatsApp you can send your doubt where you having a problem. And after that, one more thing I have to say: don't move from home. You just stay in home and plan it according to school. You just make a timetable. Suppose 7 o'clock you just start the study, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, like this. What you will learn in the schools, just that type of timetable you make, and from 7 to 11 you learn. After that, take 1 or 2 hour break. After that, again you learn the things, and some in the morning you just do some exercises, because when you all the time you are in home and study, it is not good. So please take care. Thank you.